If you're trying to get ancient weapon in Shadowhunter Lost World, well, in this video we're gonna be talking about that. So what it requires is basically pull from special limited time gacha banners using diamonds, needing around 45,000 diamonds to guarantee a drop, or participating in specific seasonal events and updates. Now, how to actually acquire ancient weapons. Basically, you have to save diamonds, accumulate a large reserve, roughly around 45,000 diamonds to ensure a hard pity guarantee during an ancient weapon banner event. The second one is event banners. Roll on limited time rate up banners specifically featuring high tier gear like Hellfire or Demon Masks. And the third one is basically community updates. Follow official community spaces like Shadow Hunter Lost World Facebook page for announcement on new weapon releases, gift codes, and rotational schedules. Basically, that will be all for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.